Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a wiring tutorial for connecting the SIYI RC7 to the CUAV V6X flight controller. UniRC 77 Pro is SIYI's new generation of handheld ground stations, designed for drones, vehicles, boats, and intelligent robots. This series supports 2.45 GHz dual-band communication with a communication range of up to 40 km. It supports 4K 30 frames per second decoding, with a transmission rate of up to 65 megabits per second, and uses AES encryption. It features a 7-inch 1080p display with 1600 nits brightness, a uniquely designed auxiliary joystick, 6 flight mode buttons, and a quick-release shoulder strap mount. Pixhawk V6X is a new generation of Pixhawk designed by CUAV and PX4. It is designed based on the Pixhawk FMU V6X standard and pursues ultimate security and stability. It adopts H7 double precision floating point arithmetic unit and Cortex M3 coprocessor, independent bus and power supply. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to wire them? How to present the results? What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test include CUAV V6X, SIYI RC7 remote controller, and an 11.1V battery. The cables used are CUAV V6X power module, RC7 receiver power cable, RC7S bus cable, RC7 telemetry cable, and an XT60 to JST adapter. How to wire them? Connect the UART1 port of the RC7 receiver to the TELEM1 port of the V6X flight controller. The UART1 port uses a GH1.25 3-pin connector. The TELEM1 port on the flight controller uses a GH1.25 6-pin connector. Connect the S.bus port of the RC7 receiver to the RC port of the V6X. The S.bus port uses a GH1.25 2-pin connector. The RC port on the flight controller uses a GH1.25 5-pin connector. Connect the power module to the battery to supply power to the flight controller. The other end connects via an XT60 to JST adapter. Finally, power the RC7 receiver. The power cable from the RC7 receiver uses an XT30 connector on one end and a JST 2.54 connector on the other. How to present the results? Open UniRC. Click the top right icon to enter the remote controller settings page. Click Data Connection Set. Data link 1 to UDP. Baud rate 1 to 57,600. If not connected, go to the flight controller page. Set the connection method to UDPCI. Enter the address 192.168.144.20:19856. Once connected, you can view and configure flight controller data. In the RC calibration screen, you can verify that the S.bus channel is functioning properly. Return to the flight interface. The black circular display shows the real-time status of the flight controller. Click Vibe in the upper left corner to view vibration data. Open QGround Control. Click Application Settings, then go to COM Links and click Add. Name the link as you like. Set. Type UDE. Port 0. Address 192.168.144.20:19856. Click Add Address, then OK. Return to the COM Links page, select the link you just added and click Connect. In the flight view, you'll now see the flight controller connected to the ground station. Go to Settings, then Radio. Move the control sticks and confirm S.bus is connected. Return to the flight view. Rotate the flight controller and you'll see its real-time movement status. This concludes today's video tutorial on wiring the SIYI RC7 to the CUAV V6X. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the video or if you'd like us to dive deeper into any part in future content, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.